This is it, Azzy. Operation Elevator Jet Ski time. I'm gonna get this jet ski and plough it into the elevator and go up and kill everybody.
Right.
Key in the epic music. I go in, Azzy. I'm glitching. Ain't gonna be good though.
You see what's going on, you man? The fuck? There's a heli up here.
Oh, so close. What? I hate this game. It's so fake.
Hey.
Look, Azzy. There's a dirt bike in this truck. Look at me, mate. I'm riding dirty.
Holy shit. I'm in this van where you jump off it.
No.
Do it. What the fuck?
What?
Spontaneously combusted and turned into half man, half wheel.
I'm having a campfire in the truck, having roast Azzy.
With my buddy.
Do you like my campfire, Azzy? Oi! Leave my fucking truck alone! Hello! Hello everybody, my name is Chaboy and I'm waving. Hello! Hello dudes, can I touch your face? Look at that ass. Look at it. Now smell it. I like to touch things. This rock feels rough around the edges.
Shotgun.
That guy's driving a bike on the back.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Oh! I didn't even kill him!
Did you know?
No, the dirt bike did.
Really? Oh my god.
The dirt bike killed him. I hit the
Listen.
dirt bike and the dirt bike killed him in action. Oh, there's a person at the end of the road, mate.
Suppressing. There you go, you wee shit. That's what you get for hiding in corners.
Asshole.
Asshole. Oh.
What?
What? Right.
I got C4'd. Imagine if you were a donkey, Azzy. Oh wait, there's someone up here, mate. Hello, mate. And we'll shoot him with the pistol. And kabim. Check out my camo, Azzy. Dice camo.
Let's see this bad boy.
What, mate?
Oh, mint it.
Good, eh?
That dice camo is OP, it just killed me, man. Jesus.
I like this camo. Oh, fuck. I can't control this. What the fuck?
Damn it.
Did you die?
No, I blew it up.
I'm still alive. In fact, did you see that tank?
Aye. It just squashed me.
I'm gonna avenge you. Watch this.
Come avenge me! It went flying! Is he any pins? Oh my god. That was epic.
Holy shit.
On the minimap, the spotted tank just went flying out across the map.
So what's up, guys? I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you can, please do leave a like and a comment, and make sure you share with your buddies if you thought the video was good enough, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you, and goodbye.